waiting on the gentleman to deliver my floating dock, which is going to look similar to my neighbors right here. And my guys are over here, and they are building the floating boat ramp. Still right there. And they're gonna build it out of all those cubes right there.
So, I've just been doing it, yep.
This whole third raft.
Right to here.
Ah.
We're taking this out. So, I've been doing it for a long time.
Okay.
Now, if I left it, it looks great, right?
Uh-huh.
It's not. These two cubes have to come out. They set it up, not wrong, just maybe that type of boat. If we left it like that, the front of your bow, the bow will keep hitting this cube. Then, it'll break the cube. Here.
Gotcha. This thing is in great shape right here. Check this out.
And thanks for trusting me to send the deposit.
Oh, absolutely. Barry Nim is on the job. Yeah, man. This thing is nice. They're gonna build it right here, and then they're gonna drag it to the water right over Christian's property right there.
That's gonna go right.
Look at them floating over there to get the other one. It's called a floating bridge. That's called a floating bridge. A tethered bridge.
This is still floating.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
And let me get a close up.
Well, let me talk to my side pack.
Barry and them have been working on the floating dock since about 1 o'clock. It is coming along nice, y'all. We even had a day rain, everybody. A day rain. Where does that happen at? But the last thing they have that they're doing now is putting on the electronics. They're putting on a battery inside of a box. It has a solar charger with a solar regulator and a nice winch with a remote control that you have on the boat to push the boat off. On the pier, working, getting some nice video shots of them. It has been day raining, sun raining for about the last couple of hours actually, and it feels good because it is so hot outside. It is crazy, like over 100 heat index. I think like 103 heat index is what they said. but it's even day raining right now, so it makes working out here very pleasant. Well, as pleasant as it can be. There they are right there, doing up the finishing touches. Got all their tools spread out. Working like a well-oiled machine right here. There's the box. There's the floating dock right there. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Well, there you have it. The floating dock project is officially complete, and I couldn't be more happy with it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and hit that notification bell. That way you know when the next exciting video is coming up. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.